Hello and welcome to this week's episode of Ask Steph. My name is Stephanie Lillian and I am a yoga and meditation instructor along with a life coach and death doula. Today's question is for all of my new mamas out there. The question is, do you have any stretches that I can do to relieve any discomfort or even tension in my shoulders from breastfeeding? So as a new mama myself, I know that breastfeeding can be a lot on the shoulders and the upper back region. It can leave you feeling sore by the end of the day, especially if you're in that hunched over position and not always sitting up straight. And I know, get tired by the end of the day. Sometimes that hunch position just happens and that's okay. So I'm gonna give you 3 stretches today to help guide you and relieve that pain, maybe discomfort in the shoulder, upper back region. The first of which I like to call butterfly wings. So what you're gonna do, and you can follow along with me if you'd like, I'm gonna turn around so you could see. You're gonna clasp your hands behind your back and place the knuckles on your low back or sacrum. So you'll feel a little bony process there at the base of your spine, that's your sacrum. Palms will face outwards away from you and elbows by your sides. Once you get to that position, if you're following along, sit or stand up nice and tall on an inhale, and then on your exhale, you're gonna bring those elbows just as far as you can, kinda towards your sides, in front of you, wherever they land. And then inhale, you'll just relax the elbows back to a neutral position. Exhale, draw them forward. You'll feel a nice opening along the upper back. And then inhale, release. Exhale, draw forward. Breathe out. Inhale, relax. 2 more. Exhale, release. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, draw it on forward. Inhale, back to center. If you're following along, shake it on out. That's a great stretch for relieving along the insides of the shoulder blades and the upper back. The next stretch is L for love. So I like to call this L, you love your little ones. So you're making 90-degree angles with the lower arm, upper arm, hands are reaching out, fingertips towards the side. So it's like you're making 2 little L's on the sides of your body. Take a big inhale, sit up nice and tall, or if you're standing, stand up nice and tall. And then from here, on your exhale, you're gonna bring those hands forward. Inhale, draw them back, and then try to pull those hands back as far as you can. You'll feel the shoulder blades working. Exhale, forward. Inhale, draw them back. Exhale, forward. Let's do 2 more. Inhale, draw them back. Exhale, forward. Great job. 1 more time. Inhale, draw back. Exhale, forward and release. So that's going to strengthen but also warm up and stretch the insides of the shoulder blades as well, along with the upper back. The final stretch that I have for you is a simple heart opener because we are hunched over a lot of the day, carrying our little ones, breastfeeding, whatever you're doing. This is going to be a beautiful stretch to open up the heart and just simply find some space around the neck and the ears. So to start, we're going to clasp the hands behind us. This time you can rest them on the sacrum if you like, but rather than showing the palms outwards, you're going to clasp them and try to press the palms in towards each other. From here, on your next inhale, stand up nice and tall or sit up nice and tall, and then begin to draw those hands away from the low back and reach them towards the wall behind you. As you do, the shoulder blades will kind of come towards each other as the heads of the shoulders will roll out away from the chest. This is a beautiful stretch for opening the heart space. As you're here, reach the crown of the head upward. Chin is parallel with the ground or whatever's beneath you. And breathe. Relax, relax, relax the jaw as much as possible. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. And simply pull. If you have a friend or a partner, they can even lift your hands for you and gently draw them away from your body. This is an awesome opener for the chest. Take a couple more big breaths. Every exhale, let yourself just sink into the stretch a little bit further. 1 more big breath. Great job. Whenever you're ready, you can relax, release those hands. Maybe you shake out the arms. And that's it. So the 3 stretches that I have for you for relaxing, releasing the upper back after breastfeeding all day are our little butterfly wing stretch, L for love, and then also the clasp heart opener. So give those a try, practice those. You can practice those morning, night, when your kid's tumbling, whatever feels good for you. Congrats on being a new mama, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.